Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the jagged crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 1. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook, and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a double crochet stitch, so we'll be skipping over this first stitch. We're immediately going to be making jagged crochet stitches starting into the second one. You're going to yarn over your hook. You're basically going to be making the bottom of a back post double crochet. So you're going to insert your hook around this next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only, like you were making a double crochet. You're just making that little bottom of it right now. Now we're going to be moving over to the next stitch. Do not yarn over. Just insert your hook into the next double crochet, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up your loop. You're going to have 3 loops. Yarn over. Now you're going to complete this like a regular double crochet. Take this through 2 loops only. Yarn over. Take this through 2 loops only. Now it's going to complete that stitch and then make a chain. So you can see that it's basically the bottom of a back post double crochet, and then in this next one just a regular double crochet, but they're connected. So same thing, yarn over your hook, insert your hook around this next stitch like you're making a back post double crochet, grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only like you were making a double crochet, but you're going to stop there. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through that stitch, pulling up a loop. Now you're going to complete this stitch like you're making a double crochet, yarn over, take that through 2 loops, then yarn over, take that through 2 loops, then make a chain. You can see how those stitches are looking. So again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook around this next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only, that's the bottom of a double crochet. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only, then yarn over, take that through 2 loops only to complete that stitch, and make a chain. Now you're going to continue to make these jagged crochet stitches across until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. Into the top of those last chains, make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a double crochet, so you can skip this first stitch. Into each chain space and stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet into each across. When you get to the end of this row and you have some chains left, these chains counted as a double crochet, so into the top of these chains you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet jagged stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.